So welcome to this video, and in this video I would be showing you how to connect Metamask to your Binance Smart Chain. So I'm using a Chrome browser right now, so you can easily just visit the Metamask website, which is metamask.io here, and download the version for your download the Chrome extension on your Chrome browser. Okay, so why would you want to really connect Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain? Okay, so if you check here, this allows you to do your transactions on either the Ethereum network or the Binance Smart Chain. Previously, before they launched Binance Smart Chain, you only had an opportunity to use the Ethereum network to do your transactions, but now with the Binance Smart Chain you can do your transactions using this network. And one very good advantage is that you would have the opportunity to have low transaction fees or low gas fees. If you are very familiar with using the Ethereum network, you understand that for even running some smart contracts and running transactions on the Ethereum network, you'll be having very high gas fees. Sometimes gas fees that are up to $100 just to make some just to connect to some smart contract or just to run some certain transactions. You would be having gas fees of up to $100, and which is so bad. So and that's the good thing about the Binance Smart Chain. You could see, as long as you have some BNB in your Metamask wallet, you could just do swaps, you could do transactions at very low transaction fees that sometimes are not even up to $1. So I'm going to show you how to connect your Metamask, which is this here. Once you come to metamask.io and you install Metamask, click the download here. You should install this extension on your browser, and once you click here, just set up your account. It's not complex. Set up your account, save your secret key and your passphrase somewhere very secured, and I would show you how to actually connect your Binance Smart Chain to the Metamask. So basically here, once you have this set up on your Chrome browser, I'm using Chrome browser. You can also, if you check out here, they also have other browsers that are compatible with this, but for me, I'm using Chrome browser. I prefer to use a Chrome browser. So once you do that and you have this all set up, so once you click the icon, there's a detailed article here on academy.binance.com here on how to actually do this. So once you come down here to this article, you see the configurations, the settings here down here. These are the settings you need to connect to the main net. That's what you'll be using. You see here we have the test net here. You could just use this test net for testing purposes, but if you're doing live transactions, you would have to connect to the main net here. So I'm just going to show you how to connect this. So right now, you see the informations you need here: network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer URL. So here I'm just going to copy just this for now, and once I come here to my click this icon, I'm in my Metamask wallet. You can see I've added some currencies here. I've added BNB, USDT, BSW, BFG, and for the BFG, I will show you how to actually add these cryptocurrencies here. And you can see here I'm actually on the smart chain. I've already connected mine already I've connected my Metamask to my Binance Smart Chain already. Normally, once you set up your Metamask, you'll be connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you how to connect to the Binance Smart Chain. So what you would do here for a new account, you just, once you click this icon and it pops this up, just click this icon up here and scroll down to settings, click settings, and come down to where you see networks and you click network. And for this you need to click add network. So once you click add network like this, it should pop up all this information here for you. So if you check here, you see these are the informations you need to input there. You see here on the mainnet. So I'll click it again. I will drop a link to this article here, so if you want to just easily see all these informations, but it's the same information you're going to input, like so. Network, add network. So right now you'll see here on the network name you need to put Smart Chain. Just put Smart Chain in the network. So, and in the new RPC URL you put this URL here, which I copied earlier. So I'll just paste it here. Okay, it's telling me invalid because I think there's a space here. Okay, so it's fine now. And the chain ID is 56. Okay, why it's giving me this is because I already have connected. Don't worry, you will not have this if you've not already connected to the Binance Smart Chain. I already have connected. So here you put the symbol, which is BNB, and for the block explorer URL you put bscscan.com here, and you click save. Once you click save, it will save this as a network for you, to save this among your network, so you can easily use the Smart Chain network to do your transactions, especially when you're trying to do transactions with Binance using your Metamask. You want to easily transfer your cryptocurrencies from Binance. Probably you bought some cryptocurrencies on Binance and you want to use them for smart contracts that you would use Metamask to connect with. You can just easily transfer either any of those cryptocurrencies using the Binance Smart Chain network to this Metamask wallet. So once you select your Binance Smart Chain here, you see here right now, you should easily you would have something like this. So you can still do currencies, you could still do your transactions with the same cryptocurrencies, but now you're not using the Ethereum network, you're using the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so how would you go about adding tokens here? So you can see I've added a couple of tokens. All you need is the contract address for these tokens. All right, you just need a contract address for these tokens. So if I was trying to add, let's say BFG here, all I would just need to do is come to the BetFury network and find the contract address. Okay, so I'm already logged into my BetFury account right now. So if I was trying to connect, I was trying to add the BFG token to my Metamask, I would just come here to about BFG here, come to about BFG, and you can see here this is the contract address, and like that, and you see contract, this is the address. You can see the decimal 18, and make sure you're always on the right, make sure you're copying the right contract address, because if you copy the wrong contract address, you can just send your tokens to a wrong address and you lost your tokens. And normally, even if you don't go through BetFury, let's say you're adding a different token, most times what you would do is you could just maybe, let's say you're adding USDT, you could just do USDT contract address. Okay, and you see BSC scan, it's for actually the Binance Smart Chain. You can see contract address. So this is how you actually generate contract address. I could just click this. If I was trying to add a different token, that's how I would search. You could search and visit the BSC website, bsc.com, and you would see the contract address for that token. Okay, so and that's how you actually find contract addresses. You can see here the contract address, it's here. So but I've copied the one for BFG, which is this. I've copied it already, so I could just come here. If I'm trying to add that token, I'll just come here and click my Metamask, and once I click my Metamask, you can see I've already added BFG already. So if you're trying to add it, you just click this add token, and paste the contract address here, token has already been added. That's why I'm having these issues. So you can see token has already been added. Most times once you paste the contract address here to just populate the token symbol and the decimals for you, all you do next and save. You save the token, and once you save the token should start showing up in your wallet. Okay, so once it starts showing up in your wallet, all you would need is, if I was trying to send BFG here, all I would need is just this contract address. I'll just copy this contract address, and maybe if I was, let's say for instance, I was trying to send some BFG token from Bedfury to my Metamask wallet, I will just come here to the section where I have that particular currency, which is BFG here, and just come here to withdraw, and easily just paste my wallet address here, and you see, it's that easy. I'll just paste my wallet address and come down here, put the amount, and click withdraw. If I was sending it from a different wallet, all I would just need to do is copy the same contract, copy my wallet address here. It's the same thing I would do if I was trying to receive either USDT or any other cryptocurrency on my Metamask. I would just copy this address, just this account address, and I would have that currency here. But mind you, I'm not using, once you've selected the Smart Chain network, you need to also select Smart Chain network in whatever wallet you're using to send your currency to your Metamask or any wallet you're sending your currencies to. So that's how easy it is to connect Metamask to your Binance Smart Chain for your transactions, to help you have very low transaction fees for all the transactions you have with your cryptocurrency. I hope this video was helpful. And one thing you should also note is once you're running transactions here on Metamask using the Binance Smart Chain, it's very important you note that you must have some BNB in your wallet. If you're either doing a swap or you're doing any transactions, you need BNB in your wallet. I don't have much, I just have 0.01 BNB, which is around $2. So you always need some BNB in your wallet to do any transactions. So that should be it for this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.